What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Buckle up, because today I'm diving into a crazy story about a billionaire, a deadly virus, and a full-blown zombie apocalypse. This one's got it all: greed, mistakes, and some seriously tough choices. Let's get into it. So, picture this. There's a billionaire in China named Bill Gates. Guy's got more money than he knows what to do with, so he decides to fund a secret lab tinkering with some next-level stuff. A neural virus they're messing with through gain-of-function experiments. Super risky, right? Well, one day, Jill's in the lab, probably trying to look smart, and he accidentally knocks over a glass of this virus. Smash! Containment's broken, and this thing starts spreading like crazy. First, it takes over the lab. Then, it hits the city. People start acting wild, aggressive, then straight-up feral. In a matter of days, China's dealing with a full-on outbreak. Gil, realizing he's in deep trouble, doesn't stick around. He grabs his girlfriend, hops on a private jet with a crew, and they're off to Australia, thinking they're escaping the chaos. Big problem, though. Jill and his girlfriend are already infected, and they don't even know it. The virus is quietly working its magic. By the time the jet's approaching Sydney, everyone on board, Jill, his girlfriend, the pilots, the crew, they're not human anymore. They've turned into zombies. The plane's out of control, and boom! It crashes right into the Sydney World Tower. The virus spills out, and just like that, Sydney's ground zero for a zombie apocalypse. Fast forward a few months, and the world's a total wasteland. Civilization's collapsed, zombies are everywhere, and only a small group of survivors is still kicking. They've made it to Australia's coastline, but the zombies are closing in fast. The group's standing at the shore, staring at their only hope, an island not too far out in the ocean. Sounds simple, right? Just swim across and you're safe. Except the water's crawling with sharks. Like tons of sharks. Here's where it gets real. If you're an Olympic-level swimmer, you've got a near 100% shot at making it to the island. Above average swimmer? Maybe 70%. Average? You're looking at a 40% chance. Below average? A grim 20%. And some people in the group? They can't swim at all. So what do? Some of the survivors get smart and try to boost their odds. They spot a kayak or a small boat nearby and make a break for it, knowing that could push their survival rate way up. Others, desperate, just dive in and start swimming. Spoiler, a lot of them don't make it. The sharks are ruthless. Then there is the really dark stuff. Some of the stronger swimmers decide to bring the non-swimmers along on the kayak, thinking it's the right thing to do. But when the sharks start circling, things get brutal. A few survivors make the cold-blooded call to sacrifice the weakest, maybe even stab them and toss them to the sharks as a distraction, so the rest can paddle to safety. It's messed up, but in this apocalypse, it's survival of the fittest. Mercy doesn't get you to the island. Being the best does. In the end, this whole nightmare started with one billionaire's bad idea, and now it's every person for themselves. Only the strongest, the smartest, and maybe the most ruthless make it to that island alive. So, what do you think? Would you swim for it, steal a boat, or make that tough call to survive? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more insane stories like this. Until next time, stay safe out there, zombies or no zombies. Peace!